Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Angwar and today I'll be teaching refrigeration, which is a very important topic in day-to-day life. Not only it's important to know because it's something which we encounter on daily basis, but also regarding various competitive exams like your GATE exam, your Indian Engineering Services exam, as well as your semester exams of your BTech. There is a lot of weightage of marks coming in these examinations from this topic. So I thought of uploading videos on this topic which can be beneficial to all aspirants preparing for their respective exam. My whole idea is to teach the basic definitions of refrigeration in this lecture. So in this lecture I'll be covering the first definition, that is refrigeration. What is refrigerating system? What is refrigerant? What is refrigerated system? What is a heat pump? Let us understand the first definition, that is refrigeration. In simple terms, refrigeration is a process which maintains the temperature lower than the surrounding. Or in layman's language, if you want to define refrigeration, you can define in this way. Refrigeration simply means cooling or removal of heat from a substance or lowering down the temperature of any body. There is one society called ASHRAE, that is American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning. They have defined definition of refrigeration. They says it is a science of producing and maintaining the temperature lower than the surrounding atmosphere. Let us understand the second definition, that is refrigerating system. To understand the definition of a refrigerating system, you should know what are the basic components of your refrigerating system. So the basic components are evaporator, compressor, condenser and thermostatic expansion valve. So when these components are combined together, they will form one system. So when this system is kept in a space or any location, so they will be removing the heat continuously to maintain the desired temperature in that space. So that whole thing will be known as refrigerating system. And what is refrigerator? Refrigerator and refrigerating systems are same, but I'll give you a definition of refrigerator. So refrigerator is a mechanical device which maintains the temperature lower than the surrounding. I have displayed the definition on the screen. That is the equipment means evaporator, compressor, condenser and a thermostatic expansion valve. The equipments employed for a removal of heat continuously for maintaining low temperature in a space is called refrigerating system or refrigerator. Let us understand the next definition, that is refrigerant. To understand the definition of refrigerant, you should know what is a working fluid. In this universe, all the plants and your systems will have some working fluids, like your thermal power plant, your hydraulic power plant, your nuclear power plant. They have some working fluids like water and mercury, and there are different types of working fluid used in your systems and plants. So if you are using the working fluid, then only you can achieve the desired effect or desired output. If you are not using working fluid in the systems or plants, you will not be able to achieve any desired output, any desired effect. So similarly, in case of ref plants, you are using working fluid as refrigerant in your refrigerating system, which absorbs the heat in your evaporator and rejects the heat in your condensers. That is a function of your refrigerant in your refrigeration system. There are two types of refrigerant. One is your primary refrigerant, another is your secondary refrigerant. So I'll be explaining these definitions of a refrigerant in detail in next lectures. In this lecture, I am just giving the basic idea of what is a refrigerant. The definition I have displayed on the screen, it says the working fluids which are used for carrying away heat in refrigeration system is known as refrigerant. Now the next definition is refrigerated system. Refrigerated system is basically a space, a room, a compartment in which you want to maintain the desired temperature is known as a refrigerated system. Like I am sitting in this room, and if I want to maintain the temperature around 17 degrees Celsius, 18 degrees Celsius, so that my room will be my refrigerated system. Like it can be any place or a location or a room or compartment in which you want to maintain the desired temperature will be your refrigerated system. The definition I have displayed on the screen: the system which is kept at lower temperature space is called refrigerated system. Now the next definition is heat pump. Heat pump is a mechanical device which maintains the temperature above the surrounding, and I already explained the definition of a refrigerator. A refrigerator is a mechanical device which maintains the temperature lower than the surrounding. So your heat pump works just exactly opposite to your refrigerator. I'll explain heat pump with the help of an example. In winters you must have seen, if you are using heaters, the temperature inside the room is more than the temperature outside your room. So it means your surrounding. So what the heaters are doing, heaters are increasing the temperatures of your room, but outside temperature is 8 degrees Celsius, but the temperature inside the room is around your 18 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees, it depends. So heat pumps are maintaining a temperature above the surrounding. So definition I have displayed on the screen. The heat pump is a mechanical device which maintains the temperature above the surrounding atmosphere. Thank you so much.